Yes, we are tired of you. We are tired of you. We are tired of you. People are not making money. Mm. Coach, what have you taken this morning? Okay. Mm, okay. Don't worry if I've taken something, but me, I'm tired of people who are part of Loyalty who are not making money. I'm going to be screening. I will put here a screening machine. Whoever is not making money should stop joining our Zooms, because sometimes you feel like the people on the call, they are allergic to money, because if someone is not making money, sure, why do they keep joining our Zooms? Hmm? These times, like today, I feel people very allergic, very allergic to money. Okay, the presenter, sir, Coach Mopiwa, good morning. How are you? How are you, sir?
Good morning, coach. Good morning. I'm doing very fine. How are you this morning? I can see you're on top of the moon.
Sure.
During the day on top of the moon.
Okay, okay. So thank you. So you take over, because I want people who are not making money to stop joining our Zooms.
Yeah, the message is loud and clear.
Yes, they should go away, because if they're not making money, first, okay, first wait, I read this one, the chat. Coach, what have you taken this morning? So for me to tell you that if you're not making money, you go away, I need to take something. This world has no balance. Okay, Coach Mopiwa, please take over, sir.
All right. Thank you so much, Leader Julius. Good morning, everybody. Um, that was a morning joke. Yes. Sometimes we should laugh and smile when the world has opened up for us for another opportunity. So thank you so much, everybody, for joining us this morning. Good morning to everyone. I trust and believe that I'm audible and we are doing fine this morning on a Friday. Um, yes, you cannot believe that 2 weeks has elapsed since we started our syllabus from the beginning. Yes, it's already 2 weeks now. If you did not see it, it has happened. It has happened. So we have covered a lot in our training. Today we will be winding up. Today we will be winding up. All right. So welcome to our training. Um, we are going to continue from where we left yesterday. Okay. My name is Mavuto Mopiwa, one of the coaches in Crypto Ambassadors. So let me find out, is my voice audible? Is my voice audible? Is there anyone having a problem with my voice? Am I loud and clear? Am I loud and clear? Can I have a yes in the chat if I'm loud and clear? Okay, all right. Okay. So yesterday we were here. Yesterday we were here. The day before yesterday we were here. And the other day we were here, as well as the other day we were here. So today is Friday. I'll be wrapping up. I want to see. Yes, I want to see. What have we learned so far? I just want you to tell me what you have learned so far in this training for the whole week. I'm not going to talk about the past week, but I just want to cover this week. Yes. I want to see what have you learned this week. Can you type whatever you have learned in the chat this week? Today we are wrapping up. What have you learned so far? We were doing candlestick chart pattern. We were doing candlestick chart patterns. Yes. Which candlestick chart pattern have you find it interesting? Which type of candlestick chart pattern have you find it interesting? Yes. What have you learned? What have you learned? What have you learned? Or should I ask direct questions? Probably people, they like direct questions. When you ask general questions, people, they don't respond. People, they don't respond when you ask general questions. So let me ask direct questions probably, so that I can get a response in the chat. Okay, okay. People, they are giving now answers. The Harami pattern, the doji, the hammer, engulfing bars, morning and evening star, the tweezer top. Okay. All right, all right, all right, all right. The tweezer top, the doji, the morning star and evening star, the hammer, the pin bar, the dragonfly candlestick chart pattern. Okay, 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 okay. All right. The harami candlestick, the tweezer bottom, the engulfing candles. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We have covered a lot. So today we are going to wind up our training, and then we'll be looking forward to a new week for new lessons as well. For a new week and new lessons as well. All right. So today I'm going to share my screen, and we get started. Is my screen visible on your side? Is my screen visible on your side? If my screen is visible on your side, give me a yes in the chat. If my screen is visible on your side, give me a yes in the chat. If my screen is visible on your side, give me a yes in the chat. If my screen is visible on your side, give me a yes. What are you seeing on your screen? Tell me, what are you seeing on your screen? If the screen is visible, what are you seeing on your screen? Give me an answer in the chat. What are you seeing on your screen? Give me an answer in the chat. If my screen is visible, what are you seeing on your screen? What are you seeing on your screen? I need an answer in the chat. What are you seeing on your screen? Let me come to the Zoom and read the answers. What are you seeing on your screen? What are you seeing on your screen? A, the three white soldiers, the three black soldiers, the three white soldiers. Yes, there is the three white soldiers. Ah, someone is seeing the morning star. Eh, 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 eh. Someone is seeing the dragonfly doji. Hey, 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 guys. Ish, these people, where are they coming from now? The people that are seeing the morning star and the dragonfly doji, where are you coming from? Now you make me worried now. You make me worried. Hey, the dragonfly doji. Eh? The dragonfly doji. You are seeing the dragonfly doji here. Eh? Hey. All right, guys, let's get into business now. Let's get into business. All right, so we have been looking at different chart patterns throughout the week. All right, we have been looking at different chart patterns throughout the week. So, like I've been saying, the chart patterns that we were looking at, they are the most likely chart patterns that you are going to find in the market. It's not all. Okay, the market will form different patterns, all right, but we were looking at some of them that are the most likely that you're going to see, and I'm sure they are enough for you to understand the language that is spoken by buyers and sellers in the market. All right, you can participate well if you are able to understand the chart patterns that we have gone through so far. Okay, so the last but not the least one that we are going to finish with today, it is this type of chart pattern that you are seeing on your screen. Okay, I'm going to speak first about the white soldiers, the 3 white soldiers. All right, I'm gonna talk about the 3 white soldiers. I want you to open up your mind very well so that it is able to capture this one, the 3 white soldiers. Who are the 3 white soldiers? Should I call them who, or should I say what are the 3 white soldiers? It's going to be up to you how you are going to consume this. All right. But now let's talk about these white soldiers that are 3 of them. What do they do in the market? Where can you find them? Okay, they appear after in what time frame so that they should be valid. Okay, they appear in what time frame so that they should be valid. All right, yes. So let's go into it. Let's talk about the 3 white soldiers, the 3 white soldiers. Yes, 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 the 3 white soldiers. All right, so for starters, the 3 white soldiers pattern indicates a strong bullish momentum. Okay, the 3 white soldiers indicates the strong bullish momentum. That is one thing that you need to pick first. All right, the first thing that you need to pick before anything else, 3 white soldiers indicates bullish momentum. Actually, it is a bullish candlestick chart pattern. It signifies market reversal to the upper side. It signifies market reversal to the upper side. Okay, it signifies market reversal to the upper side. So it is a bullish candlestick chart pattern that appears on a chart. Okay, so it is used to identify potential trend reversal. Guys, we are learning and we need to earn at the same time. That is all about the crypto ambassadors. We learn while we earn. I think you know what I'm talking about. Signals are falling in the chat. Okay, signals are falling in the groups. Signals are falling in the groups so that we can earn while we are learning here. All right, so don't ignore the chat, don't ignore the WhatsApp groups, don't ignore the Telegram where signals are dropped. So you can set up a signal quickly while you are here. Yes, you can set up a signal quickly while you are here, right? I believe you can do so. You can do so. All right. So I'm talking about the three white soldiers. I'm saying the three white soldiers, it is a bullish candlestick chart pattern, all right, that appears on a chart, okay? It is used to identify potential trend reversal, or sometimes it will mean the continuation of an existing trend, okay? It will mean a continuation of the existing trend. So we are talking about the uptrend here, because the three white soldiers signifies uptrend reversal. All right, so let's go into it. When you look at these bodies of the white soldiers, they are long-bodied candlesticks. They are long-bodied candlesticks. Can you see there are three of them? Okay, probably you are asking, why are they called the three white soldiers? Okay, so they are three candles, or they are three bodies, and they are long-bodied. Okay, that is the first thing. They are three candles that are long-bodied. Okay, so for you to understand this chart very well, you are going to see that the candles, they develop successfully on top of each other. They develop successfully on top of each other. Okay, so they are lined up in a row like what you are seeing here. So this first candle, where it closed slightly above it, the other one develops. But the second candle that comes, okay, the second candle that comes should be bigger, or should be longer than the previous one. Someone is getting confused probably. I'm simply saying, when you look at the nature of the three white soldiers, okay, they are developed in a row. But when you look at the sizes of the bodies of the candles, you are going to find out that they are filled up candles. The first candle is smaller than the second candle. The second candle is smaller than the third candle in terms of their body sizes, but all of them, they are filled up. Their bodies are filled up. Sometimes they do have small wicks, okay? Sometimes they do have small shadows on top and above, but sometimes they don't have shadows. What you need to pick is that they are filled up candles. The first candle is smaller than the second candle, and the second candle is smaller than the third candle. All of them, they are lined up in a row. Okay, so when the first candle is filled up like this, okay, what does that mean? It means that buyers, they are in control. Buyers, they are in control. Now, when it comes to the second candle also filled up, it tells you that buyers, they are maintaining their pressure or their power that they are coming with from the first candle. It's simply, we can say, buyers, they are not entertaining any gap for sellers to enter. Okay, buyers, they are trying to close the gap so that sellers does not enter. So this signifies that buyers, they are maintaining their position when they are climbing up the ladder with the price. So you can see this candle is different from this one, and this one is different from this one in terms of their body sizes. So this signifies pressure that buyers, they are maintaining when the price is going up. Who has gotten that before I go deeper? Who has gotten that before I go deeper? Who has gotten that? Are we still friends? Are we still friends on the 3 white soldiers? I haven't spoken about the other group yet. I'm only talking about the 3 white soldiers. The 3 white soldiers. I have not gotten to the other team. Yes, to the other party. I have not gotten there yet. Okay, so we are together. Let me proceed. I want to paint a very good picture so that when you see these 3 white soldiers, you should know what should you do as a trader. Okay, what should you do as a trader? So I'm saying the 3 white soldiers is formed when the price action, okay, when the price action consists of 3 consecutive long-bodied candles, okay, long-bodied candles. So you will see that each and every candle closes on top of the previous candle. Yes, each and every candle closes on top of the previous candle. You see this one, it closes slightly above this one. This one, it closed slightly above this one. So there are 3 consecutive bodies that you are going to see. So I said sometimes they do have shadows, sometimes they don't have shadows. But you should understand that the appearance of the bodies signifies pressure. Okay, meaning to say buyers, they are maintaining the pressure when they are pushing the price to the top. All right, so it should be 3 bodies. 3 bodies. This signifies strong buying pressure. Strong buying pressure. Now, let's go a little bit deeper now. Okay, let's go a little bit deeper and look at how the three white soldiers or the 3 bodies are formed. Okay, how the 3 bodies are formed. The first candle, okay, the first candle is a long bullish candle representing a strong buying pressure. Okay, the first candle is a long bullish candle representing strong buying pressure. Okay, I'm talking of these 3 candles. You are going to find out that this one is long, but when it comes to this one, you discover that this one is longer than this one. The same applies to the 3rd candle. Okay, the same applies to the 3rd candle. All right, so what I'm simply saying is, why are these 3 candles pure, having full bodied? Okay, this signifies pressure that is embedded in that candle. Are we together? Now, for the 3 white soldiers to be valid, for the 3 white soldiers to be valid, they needed to be found in a longer time frame, like what I have been saying about those other candlestick chart pattern we have been looking at. Remember, we are doing our technical analysis in a longer time frame. Okay, in a longer time frame. That's where we are doing our technical analysis. So for the 3 white soldiers to be valid, they should also be found in a longer time frame when we are doing our analysis. So you can see that technically the market is coming from the top, they are coming downwards here. So sellers, they are reaching what we call the resting area, which is the support area. All right, so it has been a long downtrend. It has been a long downtrend. Now sellers, they are tired. All right, so you are going to see a development of these candles that are consecutive, 3 of them. So when you see this after a long downtrend in a longer time frame, when the market is reaching the support area where sellers are resting, which is called the oversold area, you should understand that when you see something like this, you should know that these are the three white soldiers emerging. Now, when you see the three white soldiers, in most cases, because we are looking at a longer time frame where the market has been trending downward for a longer time. So when you see the development of these guys in the midst of the uptrend, okay, when the market has taken off going up, and in the midst of the uptrend, you see the development of other three white soldiers, you should know that it is going to be a money-making trend. What am I saying? This trend is going to continue going up. It signifies continuation of that trend. When you see the three white soldiers emerging in the midst of the uptrend, you should know that you have not finished collecting money yet. You are going to collect more money. When you see the development of the three white soldiers in the midst of the uptrend. But for this to be valid, I said that it has been a long downtrend. Sellers, they have reached the bottom, which is their resting area, the support area, and you are going to see these three consecutive candles developing on top of each other. Look at, I want you to look out for the size of the bodies, okay? The size of the bodies of these candles, they are filled up bodies. Sometimes they don't even have wicks. That signifies how much pressure is in that candle. If you remember very well, when I was talking about body sizes of candles, what do they signify? When one is long and one is short, what do they signify? I told you that it's all about pressure. We trade volume when it comes to the market. That's what we trade. If there is no volume, it's going to be difficult for us to trade. That's why we said the market is not ready for us to trade. Let's leave it for the market to sort out itself. I think I have taken time on the three white soldiers. On the three white soldiers. On the three white soldiers. Yes, the pattern occurs during a downtrend, indicating that the buyers, the sellers, they are losing control. And the bulls, which are the buyers, they are taking over. Okay? That is the first thing about the three white soldiers. How can you read the three white soldiers? Downtrend, first thing. Okay? Find out downtrend. At the end of the downtrend, when sellers are reaching their resting area, right? Can you locate the development of three-bodied consecutive candles? Three full-bodied consecutive candles. Can you locate them? Okay, so the first thing is a downtrend. The second thing is three consecutive bullish candles. Three consecutive bullish candles. Okay, yes, they should be long bullish candles with or without shadows. All right, so that indicates that there is a lot of buying pressure. Okay, there is a lot of buying pressure. All right, it is increasing, and the sellers, okay, the sellers or the buyers, they are out of control. They cannot find a gap to penetrate the market because buyers, they are united to take this price to the top. That's why they are busy developing these full-bodied candles. So a seller is finding no opportunity here to enter. Okay, that is the second thing. So the third thing, I said it already, that when it comes to wicks or when it comes to shadows, sometimes the candles, they do have small shadows. Sometimes they don't have it at all. Okay? They don't have it at all. So the presence, okay, the presence of a candle without a shadow, it also signifies pressure, because there is no one who is pushing the price back to the opening. I'm talking of the small wicks, the upper ones, okay, the upper ones, because when you see a shadow on top here, it means sellers, they are the ones that are pushing the price down. That's why you see the development of the upper shadow. Okay, so if you see a candle that is having no upper shadow at all, it means sellers are having no opportunity there. It is buyers that are in control. So sometimes it's going to be a very small shadow on top, signifying that the presence of sellers is outnumbered by the presence of buyers. So this is what we call the three white soldiers. Okay, each candlestick, okay, each bullish candlestick in the pattern should have higher than the average trading volume of the previous candle. What do I mean by that? I said it already, that this candle is it is shorter than this one in terms of size. Okay, this one is shorter than this one. So this tells you the volume. So in this case, buyers, they are united to push the price to the top. So I said, when you see something like this in the midst of the uptrend, you should know that this also means continuation of that trend. Anyone with an issue on the white soldiers, which are three of them, before I explained about the three black crows? Anyone with an issue on the three white soldiers? I have spoken about time frame. You should be able to analyze your market in a longer time frame, and you should also understand that there should be a trend, which is a downtrend. Okay, at the end of the downtrend, when the market is resting, I'm talking of the market for sellers. The market for sellers rest at the bottom. Okay, sellers score their goals at the bottom. Okay, buyers, they score their goals at the top. So when sellers are resting here at the bottom after they have scored enough goals, it's when buyers, they find it an opportunity and say, guys, come, they are tired. Come, they are tired. So they happen to take over the market in that way from sellers. Okay, so there should be a long downtrend. And I want you to focus also at how the candles are developed. Three of them, consecutive three-bodied candlesticks, three white soldiers. Give me a 5 if we are still friends. Give me a 5 if we are still friends. Give me a 5 if we are still friends. Give me a 5 if we are still friends. Give me a 5 if we are still friends. Yes, I want a 5. I want a 5. I want a 5 if we are still friends. I want a 5 if we are still friends. If we are still friends, yes. If we are still friends, give me a 5. If we are still friends, give me a 5. Okay, so it means we are together. It means we are together. Okay, now let's go to the three black crows. if you have understood the three white soldiers pattern, you are going to find out that the opposite of the three white soldiers, it is the three black crows. Okay? It is the three black crows. If you have understood the three white soldiers, you will see that the opposite of the three white soldiers, it is the three black crows. So the three black crows, it is a bearish candlestick chart pattern. It is a bearish candlestick chart pattern. I have put them together here so that you are able to see the difference. You are able to see the difference. I put them together here. All right. So you can see this and this, the three white soldiers and the three black crows. Yes. So this one, it is the bearish version of this one. The information carried here, it is the information carried here. So what I was explaining here, you can apply it this side. If this is the three white soldiers signifies bullish momentum, the three black crows signifies bearish momentum. The development of the candles follows the same scenario like here. The development of the candles, you can see there are three full-bodied candles that have developed consecutively. And like I said, sometimes you are going to see that they don't have, remember here, I was talking about the upper shadows. Okay? I was talking about the upper shadows here because the presence of an upper shadow signifies that sellers are present. Okay? When you see an upper shadow on a candle, it signifies that sellers are present or sellers were present in that candle. All right. But when we talk about a bearish candle, okay, so the shadow should be a lower shadow to show that do we have buyers? Remember, buyers, they open the price from the bottom. So the ones that create a lower shadow, it is buyers. So here, probably you might see some small lower shadows or not at all. Like this one. Can you see this candle? It did not have a lower shadow here. Okay? It means here it's very rare for buyers to penetrate and do what they are good at doing. Are we together here? You can see what happened in these three candles is different from what happened here. Can you see this candle is having at least a shadow, a longer shadow? Yes, though it is not longer than the body, but you can see that it is portraying clearly that it is a shadow. But in these three candles, you can see that this body is having a small lower shadow, and this one is got a small lower shadow. This one it does not have at all. That signifies pressure for these guys called the black crows. They are united to take the market downward. So when you see the presence of the three black crows, you should know that it might be a long journey going downward. Since the market has been long going up, it might be a long journey going downwards. Yes. So if the three black crows catch you, if the three black crows catch you on top here, my friend, we are going to forget about you. We might forget about you. If you happen to be caught by the three black crows, my friend, hey, if you don't have enough USDT, I don't know. I don't know when are we going to find you back. So this signifies bearish market. Yes, it signifies bearish market. Sometimes you will wonder, you have done your technical analysis. You have drawn your support here, your resistance there. Then you are saying the market might be supported here. But when the three black crows comes with their power, they find your support is very weak. Then they break it. They continue with their activity of selling. So the market will continue to trend downward. I'm trying to emphasize what does the appearance of the three black crows signify in the market. Okay, that's what I'm trying to emphasize so that you understand these three bordered candles. Can you see how filled they are? How filled they are. This signifies pressure, ladies and gentlemen. What type of pressure? Selling pressure. So get away. Get out of the market. When you see these guys, they are soldiers. Three of them. Three of them. Are we still friends, guys? On this chart pattern, the three white soldiers and the three black crows. Are we friends? Are we friends? If we are friends, give me yes in the chat. If we are friends, give me yes in the chat. So the pattern is formed during an uptrend. Yes, the pattern is formed during an uptrend. The presence of the three long candles are formed. Okay, each and every one of them closing, yes, closing below the other, because remember the market now is going down, it is not going up. So the closing of the price is on the bottom. So once one candle closed, the other one opens below it, just on top of it. Okay, so when you see this, you should be afraid of the market. You should have a long, yes, a long warning that don't attempt to enter the market. Wait for the three black crows to finish the race. Let them run with the race. When they have completed their race, then probably you'll be looking at, say, let me go and check that coin. Where is it now? Does it give me an opportunity? Because it has been going downward for a longer time. So probably maybe it has opened up for entry. Let me go check. So I'm saying the three black crows signifies bearish momentum. Yes, bearish momentum in the market. Anyone with an issue? Anyone with an issue on the three black crows? Anyone with an issue on the three black crows? Anyone with an issue before we go to Tradingview and look at some candlestick chart pattern there? Anyone with an issue? Because this was the last but not the least chart pattern that I wanted us to look at. The ones that we prepared to teach. The ones that we prepared to teach. Yes, it's a Friday today. Sorry for that, guys. Anyone with an issue? Okay, so let's go to our Tradingview app. All right, sharing my screen again. Going to our Tradingview app and do a little bit of navigation there. Yes. Let's go and navigate a bit. If we can manage to get these chart patterns over there, yes, if we can manage to get these chart patterns over there and see how they are performing, how they are giving us the relevant information, all right, how they are portraying their power, the sellers and the buyers trying to paint a picture of themselves, trying to paint a picture of themselves. Yes, trying to paint a picture of themselves. So let me remove these indicators so that we only remain with candles. We only remain with candles. All right. We only remain with candles. We only remain with candles here. Okay. We only remain with candles here. Okay. What type of a candlestick is this one over here? What type of a candlestick is this one? What type of a candlestick is this one? I'm starting now. We are into Tradingview. What type of a candlestick is this one? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of a candlestick is this? If you have been navigating with us, what type of a candlestick is this? What type of a candlestick is this? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of a candlestick is that one? 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 Okay, it is a doji. Okay, what did I say? That when you see a doji in the midst of the trend, when you see a doji in the midst of the trend, which is an uptrend, what does that signify? When you see a doji in the midst of the trend, what does that signify? First of all, you need to understand what is a doji, what does it do? In the midst of the trend, when the market is already trending upward, then you see the presence of a doji. Market reversal. Yes, the doji signifies market reversal. But when you see a doji in the midst of the trend is going up, and you see another, you see a doji forming, like what I was saying with the three white soldiers. When you see them developing in the midst of the trend, it means a continuation of that trend. So you can see here the presence of this doji here. Okay, when you minimize your screen here, okay, can you see the market where it is coming from? And when this doji formed here, the continuation of the trend, okay, the market continued to go up. So the market is coming from here. That's where the law of the market is. If we can navigate more, you can see how the market has been trending upward. Okay, here there was some sort of a retracement there. Okay, there was a retracement there for the market to continue to go upward. All right, so I was asking here the presence of this doji here. Okay, the presence of this doji here. So it is a continuation of the trend. The market continued to go up. Okay, are we together, guys? Are we together, guys? When you see a doji forming in the midst of the trend, okay, it means that trend is going to continue to go up. All right. So let's continue navigating. I want us to see if we can find some of the chart patterns. If we can find some of the chart patterns. If we can find some of the chart patterns. But I want us to focus on a downtrend and uptrend. When the market has trended up and when the market has trended downward. Let me check in the 1 day time frame. Okay, that was 4 hours time frame. Let's check it in 1 day time frame and see what is happening on the same coin. I want us to have a look and see what is happening in the in the 1 day time frame. In the 1 day time frame, what is happening in the 1 day time frame? Okay, let us have a look. Let's look where the market went down. I want us to find a downtrend. I want us to have to find a downtrend. Let's have a look here. Let us have a look here where the market went down. Okay. Let us have a look here where the market went down. What happened here? What type of candles are you seeing here? Look at these long upper shadows. If you remember about the significance of shadows, look at what was happening here. Can you see these candles with long upper shadows? Guys, can you see the significance of long upper shadows there? That helped the market to go down. Can you see what happened here? See the presence of the long upper shadows there. Then what happened next after that scenario, or the presence of the long upper shadows? What happened? Look, the market went down. Okay, the market went down. What I'm simply showing you here is the significance of long upper shadows. The significance of long upper shadows. Yes, when this has happened, you should be mindful of the trend reversal. When this has happened, you should be mindful of the trend reversal, because here it is buyers who push the price right to the top there, right to the top, right to the top, right to the top. Okay, but sellers came in to push the price further down, almost close to the opening. Almost close to the opening. So this signifies pressure. And what type of pressure? It is a selling pressure. This signifies selling pressure. So you can see that the market went down. Does it make sense, guys? What we were talking about shadows? Does it make sense? Give me one in the chat if it makes sense. Give me one in the chat if it makes sense about shadows. We have just seen what shadows do, especially longer shadows. If it is going to be upper or it's going to be lower shadows. But you need to know, when you see that kind of a thing happening, when the market has gone high up and you see the presence of a longer upper shadow, you should be mindful of a reversal. You should be mindful of a reversal. Okay, so let's look at other coins. Probably we are going to find different trends. Let's look at other candles. Other pairs. Let's look at other pairs and see what happened. Let's look at this coin here. Yes, let's look at Note. Let's look at Note coin and see what happened. What are we going to find? Okay, this is a new coin, of course. Let's take it in Okay. What type of a candle is this one, guys? What type of a candle is this one? What is the name of this candle? What is the name of this candle? What is the name of this candle? And what type of a chart pattern is this one? What kind of a chart pattern is this one? What type of a chart pattern is this one? Let me start here. What type of a chart pattern is this? Give me an answer in the chat. What type of a chart pattern is this? What type of a chart pattern is this one? What name is given to that chart pattern? What name is given to that chart pattern? Give me an answer in the chat. What name is given to that chart pattern? What name is given to that chart pattern? Do I have some USDT? Do I have some USDT? Because there are people that are giving me very good answers. Very good answers. Do I have some USDT? Hey, someone is telling me a Harami bullish. Harami bullish engaf. Harami bullish engaf. Eh? Imagine an order block. Hey, hey, someone is seeing an order block. Hey, when I did not teach about order blocks here. Since I came here, I did not teach about order blocks. Hey, I did not teach about order blocks here. I have never even mentioned that word. There was someone who was talking about order blocks, not me. So order blocks, please, not me. Yes, that is a bullish engulfing bar. Yes, it's a bullish engulfing bar. All right, it is a bullish engulfing bar. So you can see, guys, the presence of this candle. You never give me the name of this candle. You did not give me the name of this candle. What is the name of this candle? Can you see a lot of guys are present here? There is this guy here, and there is this guy here. And after that, there is this pattern here. Yeah? Can you see 3 patterns that we are having here? 3 of them. This one, and this one. Yeah? What is the name of this candlestick? This one here with a long lower shadow. What is the name of this candle? Give me an answer in the chat. Give me an answer in the chat. What is the name of that candlestick? What is the name of that candlestick? What is the name of that candlestick? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So what happened after these candlestick chart pattern? Remember, all of them, they are signifying the same. What happened when those candlestick chart pattern appeared? What happened? Tell me. What do you see here? Immediately these chart patterns appeared. What happened here? Let me bring it closer here so that you are able to see. What happened here, guys? What happened? What happened? What happened? Tell me. What happened after those candlestick chart pattern? What happened? What do you see? Where did the market go? 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 This is a longer time frame, 1 day time frame. Where did the market go? It was a bullish market. That's why we were talking about bullish engulfing bars. We were talking about a hammer. Someone says selling pressure. Was that selling pressure, guys? Was that selling pressure? Was that selling pressure? It was not selling pressure. It was a buying pressure, my friend. That was a buying pressure. You can see that the market moved from the bottom here. It went right up here. Okay. Can you see the presence of this chart pattern? The presence of this chart pattern over here. This one, which is the bullish engulfing bar. And we see the presence of a hammer there. Okay. So the market was preparing. It did not happen immediately, yes. It did not happen immediately. That's why I said sometimes it may not happen immediately. After this happened, you can see there was some sort of ranging here, some sort of ranging. Then after that, it picked up. We see the development of the engulfing bar here. This candle, the green candle, engulfed the red one. So it means buyers, yes, buyers, they are swallowing the sellers. Sellers, they don't have an opportunity here. Then we see the market going up. Yes, it retraced a bit, but pressure for sellers continued. Then we see the market now all the way going up there. Okay, does it make sense? Does it make sense with some of the candlestick chart pattern we have just looked at? Does it make sense? This is 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. Let's check it in 1 day. Let's check it in 1 day. Okay, but this is a new coin. This is a new coin. Okay, so in the 1 day, it doesn't have a lot of candles. You can see in 1 day, it does not have a lot of coins. I mean, a lot of candles. All right. Yes, in 1 day, it doesn't give us a lot of info. All right, it's a new coin. Okay, probably let's look for another coin. But we have seen what happened after the presence of a hammer has developed. The engulfing bars have appeared. What happened? Okay, what happened? Let's look for other pairs here. Let's check out Pepe. Let's check out Pepe and see if it is pepping. Let's check out Pepe if it has been pepping. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. All right. Okay. How I wish we could find some 3 white soldiers somewhere. 4 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 day and see. Let's go to 1 day and see. Let's go to 1 day and see. This market, where is it coming from? Okay. Yeah, it was ranging, it was ranging, it was ranging. All right, it's not giving us a good chart. It's not giving us a good chart. Let's look for another pair. Which one can we take? Let's look at this one. Jasmine. Let's look at Jasmine. Okay, this is the 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. Okay, can you see the significance again of long upper shadows? Can you see when the market goes high up and then sellers, they come and push the price back to the opening or almost close to the opening? Can you see what happened here? Then the market went a little bit down. Okay, the market went a little bit down, which was a retracement. Okay, tell me guys, what type of a candlestick chart pattern is this one? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this one? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is that one? This one here. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this one? I think we looked at it yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. If you remember, what type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? This. Maybe I should enlarge it so that you are able to see. This. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is this? I'm coming in the Zoom. I'm coming back in the Zoom. What type of a candlestick chart pattern is that? What type of a candlestick chart pattern is that? Someone needed some USDT. Someone needed some USDT here. Hey, tweezer top. Tweezer top. Tweezer top. Is it a tweezer top or a tweezer bottom? That is a tweezer bottom. Okay? Because a tweezer bottom signifies bullish. It means market has been trending downward. Now buyers, they normally enter from the bottom, pushing the price to the top. That's why it is called a tweezer bottom. Okay? So you can see that there are some tweezers here at the bottom. There are some tweezers here. Yes, they twist the market to the top. Okay, after that, there was some sort of a retracement, but there the market, boom. Okay, so you can see that there was a downtrend here. Can you see what happened here? The market moved from here to come down here. Okay, the market trended downward here. Okay, so we can see the presence of the tweezer bottom there. Then the market went right up there. Okay, that is a tweezer bottom, not a tweezer top. A tweezer top, you are going to find it at the top here. It signifies market reversal signal to the downside. A tweezer top signifies market reversal signal to the downside. That is a tweezer top. But a tweezer bottom signifies market reversal signal to the top. Yes, to the top. Hey, see what is happening in the market, guys. Can you see one candle, 1 4-hour candlestick developing like this? Eh? 1 4-hour candlestick developing like this. Can you imagine the bull run? What's gonna happen in the bull run if one candle in 4 hours is developing like this? What should you expect of the bull run? What is gonna happen with these coins in the bull run? Hey guys, can you imagine like what I'm imagining myself? Okay, so we have seen a couple of candlestick chart pattern, and we have seen their significance. Can we look for a candle that for a coin that has been on a downtrend, so that we are able to see probably the significance of? Let's look at probably back. I want us to look at a candle. I mean a chart pattern that is signified downtrend. Yes, that signified downtrend. Somewhere, somehow, I think. What type of a chart pattern is this one? What type of a chart pattern is this one? What happened here, guys? Can you tell me what happened here? What type of a chart pattern is this one? What type of a chart pattern is this one? What type of a chart pattern is this one? Give me an answer. The market went that way. What happened here? What happened there? What happened there? What happened there? What happened there? Hey, there is a valley here. There was a valley here. Yes, there was a valley right there. Yes. What happened here, guys? What happened here? Now it is looking better now here because I have made it small. What happened here? We are coming to the end of our sharing today. What happened here for this market to move downward? What happened there? What name is given to that chart pattern? 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 Give me an answer in the chat. to that pattern? What name is given to that chart pattern? Was that a tweezer top, or it was a bearish engulfing bar? It's a bearish engulfing bar. Okay, that is a bearish engulfing bar. It's a bearish engulfing bar. So we know what a bearish engulfing bar signifies, right? Yes. All right, guys, we are out of time already. Yes, who have learned it today? Who have learned it today? Who have learned it today as we are winding up for this week? Who have learned it today? Did you learn something? Did you learn something? Did you learn something? If you have learned something, indicate in the chat that you have learned something. We are coming to the end for our training for today, and we are going to meet again next week. Yes, next week we are going to start with a different lesson, not what we have done this week. So we have looked at chart patterns, which is a language of the market. So whenever you open your trading view, you see the formation of candles, and you are able to read, then it's gonna show you, or it's gonna guide you what is happening in the market as a trader. Yes, as a trader, you're gonna have direction of what is happening in the market. Yes. All right, so guys, we are going to end here for today. Let's prepare for the next Zoom. I think it is question and answer because it's a Friday. Yes, it's a question and answer because it's a Friday. So let's meet in the next Zoom that is coming ahead of us. Thank you so much, guys. It has been a pumping pleasure hosting you for this full week. Actually, it's 2 weeks I have been here. All right, probably next week my host is going to come and take us to the next level of our training. So thank you so much, guys. We love you all and have a fantastic